In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find AliExpress supplier. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. You can see I have already opened AliExpress on my MacBook. Now I can type any kinds of product. You can see here are lots of product. I can choose anyone. Then this is AliExpress commitment and salt bry. You can see salt bry who run XON car light traders, and this is the company name, store number, location, and business. You can click on business info, then you are going to and gates are more lots of info. If I zoom this, and this is a supplier all information. Thanks for watching. See you again.